Hey there, welcome to the .Notice channel. Today we're diving into the world of IT to talk about cookies. Not the kind you eat, but the little bits of data that websites leave in your computer. We'll explore what they are, the different types, and how they work. Ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is a cookie? In the world of IT, cookies are small pieces of data stored in your device by a web browser. They're created by websites to store information that can be retrieved later. Think of them as tiny memory chips that websites use to make your online experience smoother. Now, let's break down the different types of cookies and what they do. Session cookies. First up, session cookies. These are temporary cookies that only last while your browser is open. Once you close it, they disappear. They're great for things like remembering the items in your shopping cart while you're browsing online. Number two, persistent cookies. Next, we have persistent cookies. These stick around even after you close your browser. They're used to save things like login credentials or your preferences for a website. Ever notice how websites keep you logged in? That's thanks to persistent cookies. Number three, first-party cookies. Then there are first-party cookies. These are created by the website you're currently visiting. They're essential for making the site work properly and remembering your settings. Number four, third-party cookies. Now, here's where things get a bit tricky. Third-party cookies. These are made by other domains, not the site you're on. They're often used for tracking and advertising, which is why you might see ads for things you've searched for earlier. Number five, secure cookies. Secure cookies are only sent over encrypted HTTPS connections. This ensures your data stays safe from interception, especially when logging into secure websites. Number six, HTTP only cookies. HTTP only cookies add another layer of security. They can't be accessed by JavaScript, protecting them from attacks like cross-site scripting. Number seven, same-site cookies. Same-site cookies limit data sharing on the same domain. This protects against cross-site request forgery, where malicious sites trick your browser into doing things you didn't intend. Number 8, zombie cookies. And finally, zombie cookies. These are a bit sneaky. They can recreate themselves after being deleted. They're often used for aggressive tracking, so it's good to keep an eye on your privacy settings. So, how do cookies actually work? Here's a quick rundown. When you visit a website, it sends a cookie to your browser. This might include a unique ID or other small bits of data. Your browser saves this cookie on your device, and it's tied to the website's domain. Next time you visit, your browser sends the cookie back to the website. This helps the site remember things like who are you or who you are and what you were doing. Cookies are used for all kinds of things. Authentication, keeping you logged in. Personalization, remembering your language or theme settings. Analytics, tracking how you interact with the site. Advertising, showing you targeted ads. Cookies are incredibly useful, but they also raise some privacy concerns, especially with third-party tracking. That's why modern browsers let you manage your cookies and even block certain types of if you want. Take a moment to check your browser's cookie settings. You can clear them, block third-party cookies, or even browse in private mode for limit to limit what gets stored. That's it for today. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips, for more tech trip, tech tips and explanations. Have any questions about cookie or IT topics? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.